Hello! It would be great if you could join us by clicking the like button, subscribe, and the bell next to it. Let's start! Conversation 1. I'm bored. They keep playing the same old movie on TV again. Do you want to come with me to Auntie Greta's house? She's making some Italian food today. I think it's lasagna and some homemade gelato. Lasagna? Gelato? They're my favorites. She's passionate about cooking, isn't she? Oh yes, she is. You'll never get bored with her. She always makes something that will interest you. Yes, you're right. She's a wonderful lady. I'm so glad I have her as my aunt. Conversation 2. Do you know what I just figured out? No. Why don't you tell me? I'm boring. Excuse me? Did you mean that you are bored? No, I mean I am boring. What made you say that? I'm beginning to feel that I have no life besides work. I mean, I go to work from Monday to Friday, and I don't do anything in the weekends. Do you do anything before and after you go to work? Nothing in particular, just the usual stuff like breakfast, dinner, and watch TV. I see. Let's find something you are interested in. Well, I saw this advertisement on my way home from work. There's a new dance class starting this weekend in the sports club. I was wondering if you would come to the dance class with me. You don't have to ask me twice. What are you waiting for? Let's go! Now let's read the following useful phrases. Mari kita baca frase-frase yang berguna berikut ini. I'm bored. Do you want to come with me? She is passionate about cooking, isn't she? You'll never get bored with her. You'll never get bored with him. You'll never get bored with us. What made you say that? Do you do anything before and after you go to work? Nothing in particular. Just the usual stuff. Let's find something interesting to do. Let's find something you are interested in. Notes. I am bored. Saya bosan. Dan I'm boring. Saya membosankan. Kita mengatakan I am bored ketika kita merasa lelah atau tidak senang karena tidak ada yang dikerjakan atau sesuatu tidak menarik bagi kita. Kita mengatakan I'm boring ketika kita merasa diri kita kurang memiliki kualitas yang menarik. Never say you're boring to anyone. It's considered very rude. Jangan pernah katakan you're boring, yang artinya kamu membosankan kepada siapapun. Ini dianggap tidak sopan. There is nothing to do. I'm bored. This TV show is boring. They keep repeating the same old storyline. Tell me something interesting about yourself. I spent a year in Japan learning the art of sushi making. I enjoy learning new ways to make food. Tell me what you are interested in. I'm interested in art and history. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching and we'll see you back next time.